Dahil makalimot mo, diretso naman sa buffet station, sir. Dalalan yung mga plato, ha? That's sa atong station ninyo to sa likod. Okay. Next table, this group. Okay. Next table, please come forward. Next table, our batchmates. This table now, please. Once again, I'd like to welcome everyone here in our celebration of life and celebration of love and celebration of God's blessing. Welcome to our birthday celebration of Salud at 80 and Tito at 73. We'd like to say hello to Pasiona and Boning family. Hello also to our relatives and friends from Carmen, from Batuan, from Tagbilaran City, and from Cebu City. We would also like to say hello to our batchmates currently on our photo session with the celebrators. Sa atong backdrop ang atong mga batch in 1967 of the St. Anthony Academy, Carmen. Hello, and members of the faculty. Hello also to the Salud's co-teachers, Chester and Shadow and Kanduna Ronda. Okay, a quick picture dito. One more. One. Ready. Smile. One. Smile. One. Waki. Paano mo waki yan? Happy. Sexy. Sexy, gawas ang dilat. Alright. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much. Please bring your plate and getting your food. Ang inyong buffet station to sa tuboy mo, mga teachers. So next table will be this table. Ito na lang sa next table na please. Okay. Next table. Table number 3. Oh, ano ba ni? Kanina. Come on. Okay. Let's enjoy our lunch today. Welcome once again to our Chocolate Hills Adventure Park, or the CHOP, here in the beautiful garden, beautiful adventure park in Carmen. The Chocolate Hills Adventure Park. Okay, bawal na kasi mango. Dapat nakasmile ang lahat. Igawa sa mga ngipon na pila na naimilin. Okay, ready? Smile. Happy Waki. Waki. Sexy. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Next table, this table na po tayo. Okay. Combine. Sige. Ang inyong buffet station at ito mga station, mga buffet. Ito yung